Hi everyone, welcome to the video. So today we installed a Ghost 2 Immobiliser and a front and rear dash cam on this 2017 Range Rover Sport. I'm just going to jump into the car now and show you how everything works. So we've done the normal Ghost 2 install, which works very well on Range Rovers. However, the one drawback with the Ghost is that you're not going to be aware if someone is tampering with your car or if someone tried to start your car until the next day, really, when you sort of leave the house and you see the doors are open or the vehicle's unlocked. So what we've done on this car is also add phone call alerts. So every time the Ghost is activated and every time the Ghost protects the car, you get an instant phone call so that you're aware that something is going on, that someone is either trying to start your car or trying to steal your car. So I'll show you how that works now. If we go ahead and start the car as normal, I'm not going to enter the code. All I'm going to do is go into gear straight away to simulate a theft. You can see as soon as I go select gear, everything shuts off, the engine's off. And you also get a phone call straight away to let you know that your vehicle's under attack. So I leave my phone there now. Now this will happen every single time a start attempt is made now. So now the vehicle is completely locked out. You're not going to be able to start the car. And every time I press the start button, you're going to get a phone call. So you can see as soon as a theft attempt is made, you have a phone call, you know something's going on, and you can act how you wish to act. So that's the basic operation of the Ghost 2 Immobiliser with our added phone call alert function. If you want a more detailed video on the Ghost itself, we've got a number of videos recorded that you can have a look at. Other than that, we've also installed the dash cam here. It's a Halo Pro 2K front 1080p rear camera. It's got built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, and G sensor, so that if anything was to happen at night, say someone hits your car at night, the G sensor will pick that up and automatically start recording. You can see the camera there. All the wiring's been completely hidden and not visible, all sort of hidden within the headline and hardwired in. So as soon as you turn the ignition on,
Halo active,
you can see that the camera's turned on.
GPS connected.
Right, and then as soon as you switch it off, everything automatically switches off. So there's also a built-in parking mode. So if you want the camera to stay active for a certain amount of time, let's say, if you want it to be on for 24 hours, we can put a battery monitoring system in there. So the camera will continuously record, and then as soon as the vehicle battery voltage is below a certain threshold, normally 12 volts, it will turn off to protect the battery. So that's something we can also do. Moving on to the rear dash cam now. Just open the boot up, just hide the customer's number plate there. So the difficulty with doing the rear dash cams on these Range Rover Sports is that this plastic trim here is completely sealed and glued to the glass, so you can't remove it. What we've done here is drill a hole through the trim, used a rubber grommet to make it look as factory and as nice as possible, and have sort of routed all the wiring through there inside, so nothing is visible except for this little piece of cable there. So you can see the camera sort of neatly installed there. Again, all the wiring is completely hidden from front to rear, and you can see if we close everything up, hide the customer's number plate, you can see the dash cam right there. So that's the whole install. That's the security package the customers decided to go with today. If you're interested in getting a Ghost 2 Immobiliser phone call alerts or dash cams installed on your Range Rover Sport or any vehicle for that matter, give us a call 0208 0506 358. I'd be happy to give you a quote.